Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something incredibly exciting lined up for you. If you're on a journey to shed those extra pounds while still enjoying delicious treats, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're sharing 5 mouth-watering and healthy snack recipes specifically designed for weight loss. Trust me, these snacks are not only good for your body but also your taste buds. So let's dive right in. Number 1. Crunchy kale chips. Our first snack is a true game changer. Crunchy kale chips. These super easy to make chips are packed with vitamins and minerals. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Tear kale leaves into bite-sized pieces, making sure they're dry. Drizzle with a touch of olive oil, sprinkle some sea salt, and toss them to perfection. Arrange them on a baking sheet and pop them in the oven for about 10-15 minutes or until they're crispy. And there you have it, guilt-free crispy kale chips. Number 2. Greek yogurt parfait. Next, we have a treat that's both creamy and satisfying, a Greek yogurt parfait. Take a glass and start layering. Add a dollop of Greek yogurt, a handful of mixed berries, and a sprinkle of your favorite granola. Repeat the layers and top it off with a drizzle of honey. This snack is not only a burst of flavors but also a great source of protein and probiotics. A parfait that's perfect for your weight loss journey. Number 3. Zucchini pizza bites. Craving pizza? No worries. Our zucchini pizza bites are here to save the day. Slice zucchinis into rounds and place them on a baking sheet. Spread a teaspoon of tomato sauce on each slice, sprinkle a bit of low-fat cheese, and add your favorite veggie toppings. A touch of oregano, and into the oven they go for about 8-10 minutes. These bites are a fantastic way to curb your pizza cravings while staying on track. Number 4. Almond butter apple slices. For our fourth snack, we're keeping it simple yet utterly delicious. Almond butter apple slices. Slice up a fresh apple and arrange the slices on a plate. Grab some natural almond butter and spread it onto each slice. You can top them with a sprinkle of cinnamon for that extra kick. The combination of crunchy apples and creamy almond butter will keep you full and energized. Number 5. Veggie and hummus wrap. Last but not least, let's wrap it up, quite literally. Our veggie and hummus wrap is the perfect on-the-go snack. Take a whole grain tortilla, spread a generous amount of hummus, and load it up with colorful veggies like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers. Roll it up tightly, and you're ready to conquer your day with this fiber-rich and satisfying wrap. And there you have it, 5 incredible snack recipes tailored to support your weight loss journey. Remember, healthy eating doesn't mean compromising on taste. These snacks are proof that you can enjoy delicious treats while working towards your health goals. If you found these recipes helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering ideas. Stay healthy, stay happy. See you next time.